Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best book is probably one of the most cherished gifts you can give to a 3-year-old girl, opening up a world of imagination, learning, and endless fun. And in today's video, we're diving deep into the top-selling options that are captivating young minds and making storytime an adventure. So get ready to discover the perfect literary companion that will spark joy and foster a lifelong love for reading in your little one. Number 5. Happy Birthday Song. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May your day be filled with joy and laughter. It's your special day, a time for celebration and making wonderful memories. Sending you the warmest wishes for a year ahead filled with happiness and success. This song is dedicated to you, celebrating another year of your amazing life. Take time to enjoy every single moment today. You deserve all the best. What we like. This busy board is packed with activities to teach essential life skills and boost cognitive development. It's designed to keep little ones engaged and learning independently. If you are looking for a travel-friendly toy that offers hours of educational fun without screens, this is an excellent choice for your 3-year-old. What people say. The book is designed with vibrant illustrations that capture a child's attention. It features interactive elements like Lift the Flaps, which add an engaging aspect to the story. The story promotes early learning concepts such as colors and shapes in a fun and accessible way. Number 4. HAHALAND Toddler Busy Board Montessori Toys. Introducing a fun and interactive busy board designed to keep your toddler entertained and learning. It offers a variety of activities to stimulate their young minds. This board helps children learn crucial life skills like dressing, buckling, and tying. It's designed to build fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities through play. With sections for letters, numbers, shapes, colors, animals, and weather, it enhances cognitive development. Toddlers can sort and match various elements, promoting active learning. Crafted from high-quality, safe felt fabric, this toy is built to last. It comes in exquisite packaging, making it an ideal gift for toddlers. Its portable size and sturdy handle make it an excellent travel companion. Keep your child engaged and happy on the go without screens or mess. Looking for a mess-free, educational gift? This busy board is the perfect choice, offering hours of independent play and learning for your little one. What we like. This jewelry-making kit offers a massive 520 pieces in various shapes and colors, allowing for endless creative possibilities. The snap-together design means no thread is needed, making it easy for little hands to create necklaces, bracelets, and more. If your child loves arts and crafts and enjoys making their own accessories, this set is perfect for fostering creativity and fine motor skills. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce your child to new words and concepts. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, and the story is captivating. It's a durable book that can withstand rough handling by little ones. Number 3. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a world of imagination with over 520 colorful snap beads. This kit includes various shapes, sizes, and designs, plus 2 bonus hairbands, all in a convenient pink storage box. Let her create endless jewelry designs. Looking for a unique gift? This is ideal for birthdays and holidays, helping to boost her creative thinking and practical skills. She can design and make any type of jewelry she desires. Designed for children aged 3 to 8 and up, these beads connect easily by simply inserting them. No complicated threading required, just pure, creative fun. Enjoy a wide variety of styles. It's incredibly simple for toddlers to snap the beads together and pull them apart. This makes it easy for them to experiment and remake their creations again and again. Crafted from high-quality plastic that meets international standards, this toy ensures safe play. It's the perfect present for birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas, bringing hours of enjoyment. What we like. This book tells a funny story about a hippo with a unique problem that leads to unexpected friendships. It's filled with delightful illustrations and a heartwarming message about embracing differences. If you're looking for a giggle-inducing read that also teaches a valuable lesson about acceptance, this is a fantastic pick for story time. What people say. The book is filled with vibrant illustrations and engaging stories that capture a 3-year-old's attention. It features a sturdy, hardcover design that can withstand rough handling by little ones. The interactive elements, like lift the flaps and textured pages, make reading a fun and tactile experience. Number 2. The Hiccupotamus, Hiccupotamus and Friends. Introducing the Hiccupotamus, a delightful character from Hiccupotamus and Friends. It's perfect for imaginative play and storytelling. Join the fun with this lovable character and its friends. Together, they embark on exciting journeys and create lasting memories. This toy is designed to spark creativity in children. Let their imaginations run wild with endless play possibilities. Crafted with care, it offers both durability and entertainment. It's a wonderful addition to any child's toy collection. Looking for a special gift? The Hiccupotamus is sure to bring smiles and joy to any child. What we like? This story centers on a group of friends who learn the importance of including everyone, even those who are different. The narrative is gentle and the characters are incredibly charming, making it a wonderful read aloud. If you want to teach your child about empathy, kindness, and the joy of friendship, this book is a beautiful choice. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce your child to new words and concepts. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, and the story is captivating. It's a durable book that can withstand rough handling by little ones. Number 1. Strictly No Elephants. Discover a heartwarming tale about the power of friendship. It explores themes of acceptance and finding your place in the world. This is the first book in a delightful series centered around a special pet club. Join the characters on their exciting adventures. Get to know a group of lovable characters and their unique pets. Each one brings a special charm to the story. Watch as they navigate challenges and learn valuable lessons about loyalty and kindness. Their bond grows stronger with every experience. This narrative beautifully illustrates the importance of inclusion and understanding. It's a story that will resonate with readers of all ages. Designed for young minds, this book offers engaging storytelling and positive messages. It's an ideal read for children and families. What we like? This vibrant book is a joyous celebration of individuality and friendship, perfect for a birthday theme. The illustrations are bright and engaging, bringing the story to life with energy and warmth. If you're searching for a book that promotes self-acceptance and the fun of celebrating together, this is an excellent and uplifting option for your 3-year-old. What people say. This book is a great way to introduce your child to new words and concepts. The illustrations are beautiful and engaging, and the story is captivating. My daughter loves this book and asks me to read it to her every night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.